Got your hands on the Yakima OverNOut 270 XL? Nice move! Now let's get this awning installed so you can kick back in the shade while everyone else wishes they had one. Don't sweat it, we'll walk you through step by step. First up, lift the flap on the end of the awning to expose those little rubber plugs. Pop them out and set them aside. But note, these little fellas keep the water out, so don't lose them. Now, slide 2 mounting bolts into each track. Pretty simple, right? Remember those little plugs you set aside? Time for their comeback. Push them back in and close the flap. Water protection, check. Next, place the brackets over the bolts. Use the 13mm wrench to loosely secure the nuts. Loose for now, we'll tighten them later. Position the brackets based on your crossbar type. Now grab a buddy, it's a team sport from here. Lift the awning, align the brackets, and slide the nut plates into the crossbar channel. Once everything's in place, tighten the nuts to 6 Nm. With the awning mounted, unzip the cover slowly to avoid a fabric fight. Fold the cover back and release the hook and loop straps. Now it's time for the magic. Deploy the awning by guiding it outward. Feel the shade potential yet? Wind? No problem. Attach the tension straps to your vehicle's crossbar or a solid anchor point. Adjust until they're snug. Now extend the support legs. Twist, extend, and twist back to lock. When you're done admiring your work, fold the cover back over the awning to keep moisture out. And there you have it. Your OverNOut 270 XL is ready to roll. Maximum shade, minimal fuss. Now, go find a perfect spot to chill and take it easy.